All right, January 2025, the brand new Crate Club General box is here. And once again, you can see this box is huge, way too big to capture with that camera, my normal camera here. So I'm going to give you guys a look at the box on my desk from this angle. And you can kind of see my little setup right here. But let's break into this Crate Club General box, January 2025. Let's go. And if you're not familiar with Crate Club, it's a monthly or quarterly subscription service that sends the latest tactical, survival, and everyday carry gear right to your doorstep. But the January General box right here is freaking huge. So let's break into this here. So I'm just going to open this up. And I usually give you guys a nice peek inside, but like I said, my camera set up for my desk isn't the best for these big boxes. But I'll take out what I like to call the cheat sheet right there. And let's just grab the first small thing that's in the box, and I'll put the rest off to the side here. And what is this? This is a pressure wrap. It's called the Slishman pressure wrap from the Uncharted Supply Company. Safe and effective compression wrap for bleed control, sprains, and contusions. So nothing really too special here, nothing too crazy. I like to put these right with my other medical kits inside of my house. I'm not going to open this up or anything until I need it, but you guys get the idea here. It's a compression wrap. So let's move right on to the next item here. And I have no idea what this is. LP Series Pack Net. And I don't have one of these, but I know what it is. It's basically a mounting system for your backpack to carry extra things back there. It's just a bunch of shock cord, as you can see, and it just wraps around your backpack, like I said, so you can carry some extra gear back there. Pretty cool. So let's undo this knot and see what's in here. Probably some more of the, some carabiners right here to mount this to your backpack. And pretty simple stuff. You guys get the idea. Pretty cool. I usually carry backpacks that are big enough to carry all my stuff, but if you go hiking a lot or if you need to carry some extra gear, this could be a good solution, it looks like. Pretty cool. I'm actually planning another trip to the Adirondacks this year, so maybe I'll put this to use. So once again, I know I'm moving at the speed of lightning here, but there's a lot to get through this box here. There's actually a lot. And holy crap, I know what this is. It's a Dango wallet. But which Dango wallet? That is the question. I think I've reviewed every single wallet from Dango at this point. Oh, it's the M1 Spec Ops. Very, very cool. I do have a few of these already. Get it out of the tin can here, the little tin case that Dango puts all of their wallets in. Very cool. And it's the M1 Spec Ops bifold, the D-Tex version. This is Dango's own D-Tex material. The black M1 rail on the inside. Very nice. Oh, and it comes with the MT-04 multi-tool. That is awesome. So let me put that, actually, let me keep that off to the side here. So the M1 Maverick Spec Ops bifold. So if you guys aren't familiar with this, I did a review on this wallet. If you guys want to see that, I will put that down below in my description box so I don't have to really go over every single thing here in this video. But the M1 Rail wallet is my favorite wallet released from Dango. This is very, very similar functionality here, but with a bifold to hold extra cards and cash. And even though it comes with the MT-04 multi-tool that you can store right here under this aluminum plate, it also comes with the MT-01 multi-tool right here. 5 tools, and that MT-01 multi-tool acts as a clasp. So the multi-tool clasp holds the bifold together to keep all of your cards and cash secure. Very, very cool find in this month's Crate Club. Sorry, this quarter's Crate Club box. But I'm really glad to see the M1 Spec Ops bifold in this Crate Club. Like I said, if you guys want to see that review, I'll put it down below. But let me put all this off to the side and let's see what else we got in here. So I know what this is already because I pulled some of these out of a Crate Club last year sometime. The MTN Ops Electrolyte energy drinks. So the last flavor I pulled out was Dragon's Blood. I remember that. This one is a blue raspberry, lemon lime, and fruity pink burst, which is probably a lot better than that Dragon's Blood taste. I wasn't really the biggest fan of that Dragon's Blood taste, but I mean, fruity pink Fruity pink burst, lemon lime, and blue raspberry. I mean, how can that be bad, right? So let's see. It looks like there's 10 of each flavor right there on the bottom. That is awesome. So I'm going to probably try these. Maybe take them to work on Monday. But fairly excited to try these. Hopefully, like I said, they're better than Dragon's Blood. Not terrible, but also not my favorite. Let's see what else we got in here. This looks like a camo hat. But what kind of camo hat? Proper, right to the core. So let's see what is up with this. Looks like just to be a normal tactical camo hat. See, I am a big fan of structured hats. This is non-structured. And I just don't like how these look or fit on me at all. So I'm sure some of you guys out there like non-structured hats. For me, I'm not one of them. So I'll probably never wear this hat, even though I'm sure it's fine. I'm sure the company is fine. I just don't like this style of hat. So I'm going to move on to the next item. And holy crap. Boom. Fox knives. What is this? A hatchet? Has to be a hatchet. There's something over here. Model number probably. I'm not really looking at that. But let's break this open. Let's use this. Let's break this open and see exactly what we got here. There we go. Oh, very nice leather sheath right there. Very cool. So let's take a look and see what this is here. Fox knives, we make it sharp. Let's take a look at the actual blade itself here. And I'm really loving this sheath right here. The Fox Knives logo right there. And then a button snap right there for that release. And then this strap right here has another button snap. And then just loosen that up right there. So this is really nice. Look at this wooden handle. And it has a little bit of weight to it as well. Leather lanyard at the end. I don't know the name of it. I can't find the name of this hatchet at all. So let's go to the cheat sheet here. And it says it's the Fox Knives Yankee Axe. So I'll give you guys a look right there. Fox Knives Yankee Axe. So let's read up on it here. It looks like the blade steel is C45. The blade coating is Bernito. Handle is made of ash wood. Blade length is 3.15 inches. Overall length is 15 inches. Blade thickness is 1.08 inches. The sheath's made of leather. And it weighs 31.75 ounces, made in Italy. Another Fox Knives logo that says Italy right there on the blade. So far, really liking this until I can get a chance to take it outside and use it, which is not going to be for a little bit. But this sheath, let me give you guys a close-up of the sheath before I move on. This is really nice. Real leather. I just like the looks of this sheath, and it feels very well put together. So let's put this off to the side and let's move on here. All right, the next thing in the box is, this is Rock-A-Gator right there on the front. But what the heck is this? Rock-A-Gator storage bag. Let's see. Oh, I see what's going on here. So it's all in this little pouch right here. And okay. It's a ripstop storage bag. All right, there we go. So it looks like it's just a cover. Maybe it's just a cover for some supplies. So look, where's the cheat sheet? Let me find out what the heck I'm looking at here. It's the Rock-A-Gator Torrent Rain Cover. It's basically a cover for your backpack. So I get it now, and I'll show you the picture inside of the cheat sheet right there, the Rock-A-Gator Torrent Rain Cover. And I'm guessing, because I haven't pulled this out of the box yet, it's for this backpack. And now that I'm looking in there, there is a backpack in there. So that makes a lot of sense. So this isn't the interesting thing. This is just a rain cover for that backpack. So let's take that out and check it out. Part of the reason why this bag was so huge this month, because they had to fit this giant backpack in here. This thing is massive. Let's take it out of this bag. Oh my goodness. What the heck, man? So this is a Rock-A-Gator backpack. The Rock-A-Gator Kodiak. You can see right there, Rock-A-Gator Kodiak. This is crazy. I keep hitting my microphone because these items are so big, but check this out, man. So looking at the tag here, it says quick submersion waterproof, 40-liter capacity, floats when dropped in water, rugged 600D waterproof TPU welded seam construction, roll top and clip closure, exterior mesh tool pocket with zip closure, stays pliable in cold temperatures, elastic side storage pockets, removable padded laptop pocket, padded waist strap, top carry handle, and multiple hydration tether points. So this is really cool. So you can see, hopefully, I'll turn it this way, you guys can see these little mesh pockets right here on the side. There's one over on this side as well. And then a larger mesh pocket in the middle that's closed with a zipper. And some more shock cord right there to hold some more gear. I'll put up a picture of the cheat sheet here, and you guys can see exactly what it does. You can just pause and read right there. I'm gonna have to play around with this thing to see exactly what this is for and how to use it. So I'm gonna put that off to the side. Very, very cool. It looks like there's one last thing in here. And let's just take that out. And it looks like a EDC mat, and this is by Tactica. So I do have a few multi-tools from Tactica. They are, I like Tactica as a company. It's just a lot of their items are very, very expensive. And I was unaware that they made EDC mats. So 3 key and earphone catch trays, debossed map details, and chamfer around all edges. So let's open this up and check this out. Just tore right off. All right, that's enough. Anyways, let's check this out. So it's reminded me a lot of a mouse mat, to be honest with you. A lot of the EDC trays that I have are made of leather, or I have one from Dangle that's made from aluminum. But most of them are made of leather. It's just rubberized, and yeah, there we go. So let me turn it this way so it's right side up so you guys can see what that looks like in the light right there. So 3 little trays right here for some gear, and then just a main tray for, I would probably put a phone here. I'm not exactly sure. Maybe I can just keep this on my desk out here. But yeah, that's basically it. An EDC tray made from Tactica. I'm actually pretty surprised they're making trays like that. I had no idea. So yeah, that was the last thing in the box. So we got the Tactica 0.200 EDC mat, the USA FOCP Tactica mesh cap, which is right here, the Kodiak Blackout TPU backpack, the Rockagator Torrent rain cover, the Tribe 1 Outdoors LP Series pack net, the Dangle M1 Maverick bifold Spec Ops, the MTN Ops electrolytes, the Slishman pressure wrap, and the Fox Knives Yankee axe. So what do you guys think of this quarter's general box? I'll add up all the totals and put them on the screen right now versus what it costs to get the general box from Crate Club, and see what kind of value you're getting here. And let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this quarter's box. But until next time, I'm out.